Hello everyone, this is Eve from KSAV Vodou. Hope you had a wonderful week, and we are going to talk about chakra number 6 today. I'm so excited. One more chakra and we're done, and we start something new. Now we're gonna learn to connect and clean your chakra. So those are the videos I'll be making. As usual, you know me, I always have to talk about Vodou because that's who I am. And we have the Creole version of all our videos. You know how terrible and how many people out there that are having really bad experiences with some voodooism. Come on, people, you need to stop. It's not given to you to do anything wrong. Or you are one of those charlatans, like we say, #charlatan, who are doing all the things that are wrong, who are discouraging the children of the law. If you don't know something, find someone who can help you. Maybe you can learn something. I think the biggest problem in Vodou is because people think that they know it all. Mine's better than yours. They don't realize that it takes all of us together to do the job. You are there to help others, to guide them on a spiritual journey. If they come to you, you are part of that journey. Your job is to do the right thing. You don't know? Get someone who can help you do it. Stop thinking about this in a way for business. One of the things I like to address is I've seen comments on Facebook talking about all the Ugan that I know are poor, all the Mambo I know are poor. Well, that's the problem. If you are a Vodouisan, you're supposed to be rich. Like, seriously. I mean, you would think nowadays that with technology is so available to everyone, there are certain things you can actually Google and find certain things about spirituality, because like I said, there's so much video out there. Like, to educate yourself and make yourself understand what spirituality is versus religion. And some of you still don't get it. So you think because you're a Vodouisan, because your ancestors who fought and took you out of slavery, who made you who you are today, even though we're all ungrateful and we have forgotten and we don't know where we're from, where we're going, we have forgotten our past, you think that, oh yeah, you should be rich if you're Vodouisan. Where do you get that from? I mean, how do you thought of that all by yourselves? Like, you get up every day, you have children, you get married, your children go out every day, they come home safe, because there's a lot going on in this country. And you talk about money. It's not all about money. You gotta stop thinking about Vodou like it's supposed to be a gold mine. And that's the problem, because some of you won't work, won't go to school, won't better yourselves, or whatever, open your business, whatever it is that you want to do. It doesn't mean that in order for you to have a successful business, you truly have to go to school, because we can name a whole bunch of billionaires that didn't even finish school and who have made it. And if you're Ugan and Mambo, you thinking that a Ugan Mambo should be rich in knowledge, rich in health. The law don't make you rich. They're bad Christian. They preach you shouldn't have worldly things, right? You should just be perfect. So you're supposed to be poor in order to go to heaven. But if you're Ugan Mambo or Vodouisan, you're supposed to be rich. Think about that for a minute. Tell me those people who think that way, if that makes sense to you. My loi, my spirits have never let me down in anything in my life. My children are protected. I'm protected. My family is protected. I guess it's the way you think about abundance. So, sorry to disappoint you, because you think that a Mambo or Ugan is supposed to be rich for some odd reason, because that's your mentality. That's a lot of you. That's how you think. But if you're a Christian, it's okay to be poor. If you're a Vodouisan, you're supposed to be rich. Let me break the news to you. If you are not chosen by the law, you're not chosen, you're not from a Laco, you're not from Habitation, it's natural that you will think that way. If you cannot educate yourself, if you can create a Facebook page, an Instagram page, a YouTube page, and all the social media outlets that are out there, if you can create those pages, that means you can actually Google things. and check the sources that you are getting the information. What does spirituality means? Like, Google that. Find out what true spirituality is. It's nothing to do with religion. It's two separate things. So stop confusing voodoo with your religion, because it's a culture. It's not a way for you to get, it's not a scheme to get rich quick. And that's the problem. That's the problem right there. That's why a lot of people who are not chosen by the law, they see something, they're like, oh yeah, this is a way for me to make some money. So here they are out there lying, cheating. If they don't know something, they can tell the person, instead of creating peace and harmony and love and get that person to be able to understand the spiritual world of the law. Instead, they put them in more chaos. The person, you make sure that the person, they have dug themselves so deep into that hole, and it's hard for them to get out because mentality like that. So let's educate ourselves. Seriously, let's educate ourselves. You know, it's a question of talking to your spirit. It's a question of meditation. You will be surprised the thing you can find out as you are meditating and getting better at working on your spiritual self. I will both to all of you. So now we're going to talk about chakra number 6. Yes, we're going to talk about chakra number 6. This is a very important chakra as well. This is your third eye chakra. This is our third eye chakra, which is chakra number 6. The color is violet. This is the area for the third eye. This is where your intuition is. This is your foresight. This is how your ability, being able to see the bigger picture, with knowing, insight, and vision, and praising yourself when it's open. That's what it does. The gland associated with this chakra is the pineal gland. It's blocked. Those are the symptoms. You have sleep problem. You are you close down. You shut yourself down. You are unable to accomplish your goal, and you are unable to express yourself, and you lack motivation when it's blocked or weak. Those are the symptoms. When it's open, one of the things that is impacted if the chakra is blocked or closed, you have mental blockage, selective memory, depression, and sinus issues. Like a lot of time, if you get a lot of headaches and it's sinus problem, that means you need to work on your third eye chakra. So your third eye chakra, like I said, the color is violet. So when you are meditating, you want to heal the chakra, you're going to see the color violet. You're going to imagine that color here in your third eye, because this is where your intuition, right? It's your psychic ability. Like when it's open, your intuition is on point. You are motivated. You see the bigger picture. Because when it's blocked, you can't see the bigger picture. So when it's open, you are able to see the inside, right? Be able to praise yourself. These are the things that it actually does when it's unlocked, when it's strong. So this is chakra number 6. And what we're going to do, we're going to talk about chakra number 7 next week, which will be the last chakra. If you have any questions, concern, anything for you like for me to talk about concerning voodoo or anything with chakras and spirituality, just shoot me an email. It's KSAV, KSAV, VODOU, D as in David, OU, @gmail.com. Send us a Facebook request, friend request, and that is KSAV Voodoo Facebook. It's KSAV Voodoo YouTube. So happy you showed up and you listening to me. There was so much information out there. There's so many videos out there. I'm just a regular person, and I try to think of things. I always put myself in someone else's shoes. Every problem has a different solution. So till the next time, bye.